Okay.
Let's go on YouTube. So this is an unboxing video that I wanted to upload to my YouTube channel. I recently got a new camcorder. This is the Sony AX43A model that has the CMOS sensor on it, which is supposed to provide better video quality, especially during the night or during the day, which is a big improvement over the camcorder that I have now, which is the AX43 model. Now, before I get into the unboxing video, I just want to take note that this one does not have a viewfinder and it does not have manual zoom, but there is still a night mode. So, we're going to go ahead and unpack it. Don't you freaking love how freaking Best Buy unbox, the fact they like to package everything so tightly. For those of you that may have seen my other videos and I wasn't clarifying about this, I did have a Panasonic VX870 that I had, but they did give me a full refund on that. So instead of replacing that, they had to they basically reimbursed me for a gift card of $719 is what I paid for it. So this is the package here. This is the Sony FDR-AX43A model. For those of you that don't know about this is basically the updated version of the EX53 model and the EX33 model, which have since then been discontinued. So obviously, I'm not really going to pay too much attention to this, but this is literature and the owner's manual. I don't really care too much about that. I'll get that in a minute. So right here you have the charger that comes with it. I'm not sure what this goes to, but... And then this is a charger that goes to the camcorder. Now, what I'm trying to figure out is whether this one comes with wireless charging. And of course, you have the HDMI cable. So, let's go and check this out and see what we have in the pack. Oh, wow, that is really nice. So this is the camcorder itself. As you can tell, it doesn't have the viewfinder, like I said, and it doesn't have manual focus. This is the FDR-AX43A model. And there's that. And then here is the battery. So this is I'm trying to look, this is a 7.3 volt, 13.8 megawatt, 1900 milliamp hour battery, which is slightly bigger than the AX33 that I currently have that's not really working right now. So we're going to go ahead and see if it has any power. Plugs in like so, so let's see if we have any power. Alright, well I guess it must be depleted. So right now, there's no way to actually charge this thing. I'm assuming the battery is completely dead. They probably did that for safety reasons, so that the battery does not discharge while shipping. But there you have it. So that is the unboxing of the 4K Sony Handycam FDR-AX43. I thank you all for watching.